I just got a package in the mail that I'm super excited about. Let's see what it is. What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. If you're new, welcome in. Go ahead. Don't be no new. Come on in. Subscribe. Sit down and chit chat for a while. Right here. Hit the bell and you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Yes, beautiful babes. Guess what? Your girl got a new perfume from Dossier. Now listen, y'all know I am a Dossier affiliate. However, this particular one, I wanted to order it myself because it always sells out. It's always unavailable. And today, guess what? I got it myself. I got it, y'all. And what I'm gonna do when I get out to the stores sometime between now and my birthday shopping spree, I'm going to actually buy the authentic one. This, my friends, in this box is from Dossier. If you recall any of my videos on Dossier, you'll get a full size of the perfume, also a small little sample of the fragrance. Just in case you don't like it, you can always just use the tester, see if you like it. If you don't, send the full size back untouched, untampered with, and you'll get a full refund. But today, y'all, let me get to this fragrance. It's Ambery Saffron. This one is an inspired fragrance by Maison. I don't know all that. Okay, let me just put it on the screen. And it is it is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum. It has top notes of saffron, orange, and it has top notes of saffron and orange blossom, middle notes of jasmine, plum, and cedar wood, and base notes of oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. You know, it seems like it's going to be a scent that can be versatile for men and women, considering those particular scents there. So it's a kind of a clear tone. So that to me indicates that it's kind of a daytime fragrance. That's what I consider it. Because, you know, sometimes the nighttime fragrances do be a lot darker. And of course, I love the magnetic top that these bottles come with. And this is what it looks like right here. Okay. And I got a whiff of it, and I swear it does smell like it could be a man's fragrance. Okay, but let's just put it on the wrist. Let's get her cooking. Girl, yeah, that can make you, oh yeah, that can make something happen. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Ooh, yes, I like that. Absolutely. But this fragrance, what I'm going to do today, everybody's always asking the question. I see different little forums that ask, where do you spray your perfume? So today, that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, let's do that. Like a cool summer breeze on a sweltering day, or a soft kiss on the cheek from someone you love, when perfume is sprayed in the right places, it can make anyone feel absolutely wonderful. There are many areas on the body that one can spray perfume. However, knowing the best places to spray perfume and being mindful of how to apply perfume might just help it last longer and smell better. In addition to the popular Hollywood depiction of spraying perfume on the wrist and neck, the reality is that there are a number of key places to give a little dab or spritz. So where should you spray perfume? Let's start by saying the best places are where the body naturally creates heat, pulse points, and a few other key places. The pulse points are locations on the body where the blood vessels are closest to the skin. These spots emanate heat which can help fragrance emanate from your skin into the air. It's the same principle used by essential oil diffusers. Apply your perfume to these points. It's important to remember that heat is a good thing when it comes to perfume. Now let's talk about the key pulse points. First, on the inside of your wrist. Tried and true, this is the most popular place to apply perfume. But why? It's actually simple science. The pulse points located on your wrist are warm because of how close the blood pumps near the skin's surface, therefore making an ideal area to apply perfume. Think thin skin, and you have a good place to spray. Next up, the ears. Behind the earlobes is typical, but another less common spot is the tops of the ears, as skin is not as dry. Oily skin actually holds scent better than dry skin, so make sure to moisturize before applying the scent. Anywhere in the ear area will give your perfume a chance to linger after a close encounter. This area is great because when you give someone a hug, the scent will appear noticeable but not stay on a person after the hug. Then we have inside the elbows. Another pulse point is inside the elbows, which, as well as emitting the enhanced fragrance, serves to slightly obscure the smell in the bends of the arms, perfect for longer lasting diffusion. Warmer on the body than the wrists. Apply perfume to this area when you are wearing a sleeveless shirt, and notice how the aroma stands out throughout the day. Now you know about this, the throat and the breast and heart area, a wonderful and sensual area to apply perfume. The heart is the center of your pulse points, and when romance is in the air, your heartbeat and natural body temp rises, which means your perfume will activate. You notice yourself smelling your perfume more when sprayed here. On that note, fragrance is a big no-no for those with sensitive skin, but you can wear fragrance without applying it directly to your body. Try wearing a necklace or bracelet infused with scent, or try spraying your clothing in this area. Then you have behind the knees. Most definitely not the first place you may have thought of, but when you spray perfume behind your knees, the heat from your body makes the scent travel upwards. As you move throughout the day, the aroma of your fragrance will slowly be released and wafted upward. Now there's other key areas of the body. Feet and ankles. Yes, we absolutely love this area to spray perfume. An area of the body that is in perpetual motion. Spraying calves and ankles with perfume is not only refreshing, but will help to spread your fragrance wherever you go. It makes us think of those movie moments when a woman walks away slowly and the man can't help but look after her. She stays on his mind or in his nose. Oh yes, you can even spray it in your hair. Your hair is actually one of the best places to spritz perfume because the strands holds fragrance well and leave a trail of scent as you move from place to place. The head is known for the place where heat escapes the body. From walking past a person on the street or snuggling up to a loved one on the couch, your hair will leave a memorable Evernote. But just remember that perfume does contain alcohol, so if your hair is on the brink of breakage, don't do that. Ooh, let's get a little deeper. Hips, inner thighs, belly button. Never thought of this area? You might just want to experiment with spraying these areas when planning a romantic date and see what happens. Actually, your navel is useful for more than just belly piercings. Dab a few drops of perfume on the spot if you're wearing a midriff bearing crop top or bikini. Any area on your body that radiates heat will enhance a scent, and your belly button does just that. Now let's talk about the collarbone and top area. And this will probably be the last one I'll talk about, and with good reason. This area is a hit. Maximize the power of your perfume by giving your collarbone or décolletage, neck, shoulders, and back a spritz. Perfume will more likely settle in the bone structure in these areas. And the added bonus of wearing a strappy top or a plunging neckline means there's extra surface area to exude fragrance from. Experimenting with where to spray perfume is a fun and indulgent thing. From time and activity where you spray perfume can have a dramatic effect. Now let me know, where do you spritz your perfume at? And there you go, beautiful babes. Hope you enjoyed that little tidbit. I'm going to love my fragrance. It is definitely kind of what I expected, but not what I expected. You know, I think it's a fragrance that I will rock all the time. Yes, to me, it's a daytime, nighttime fragrance as well. Pretty sexy, pretty memorable kind of fragrance. You know, when you walk into a room, you're going to smell a little different than everybody else. Now, y'all know the actual fragrance probably costs you about $300, okay? But of course, with these fragrances from Dossier, you can get them on the low anywhere from $29. I know no more than $49, okay? So y'all check it out. I have my link below. Definitely check it out and use my link if you would. You don't mind hooking the girl up, do you? For a little something. There you go. There you go. I appreciate y'all, beautiful babes. I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe right here to Sugar Fingers, and I'll see you on the next one. And please keep the hair, the face, the hands, the feet looking gorgeous. Bye.
Do you feel what I feel? We lost all